Hey guys! Don't miss this selection of innovative, and not only, gadgets for your car. Get ready. You are about to take a step that will change the world of cars forever. All product links are provided in the description below. Leave a comment. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Oh, and one last but incredibly vital point. Make sure to give that subscribe button a friendly click. We have a lot of new gadget collections coming up, so don't miss out on all the fun. Say goodbye to dim and scattered headlights. Headlights are here to light up your way with their super brightness. The best part? They provide a uniform light with no blind spots or dim areas, ensuring you never blind oncoming drivers. With a sturdy build, modern design, and easy plug-and-play installation, these headlights are your go-to choice. Plus, they come with an IP67 waterproof rating, making them ready for any weather. Brightness that stands the test of time, as they won't dim even after years of use, thanks to unique anti-aging circuitry and effective heat dissipation. Meet your ultimate road companion. This powerhouse delivers a continuous DC to AC conversion, boasting 2 AC outlets and 4 USB charging ports to juice up all your gadgets. Safety? Check. It's equipped with an on-off switch for secure usage and even features a quiet yet efficient cooling fan. But it doesn't stop there, it's incredibly smart. The digital display shows your battery's voltage and USB current in real time. An LED indicator keeps you in the know. The real star of the show is the built-in smart chip, ensuring your devices are protected against overheating, voltage fluctuations, short circuits, overloads, and overcharging. Safety is a priority, and a 15A fuse is on the team to safeguard your car outlet adapter and devices. With BMK, you're getting top quality. Say goodbye to worries and hello to the ultimate car inverter charger adapter. Protect your home and garage with this smoke alarm. Easy to mount with included accessories, it features LED and buzzer testing and a handy silence button. Boasting a sealed 10-year lithium battery. Covering 215-430 square feet, it blares an 85 decibel alarm to wake even the soundest sleepers throughout. Tired of car trouble leaving you in the dark? Diagnostic Scan Tool is here to shed light on your vehicle's mysteries. It's like having a pro mechanic in your pocket. Quickly decipher your car's trouble codes and silence that pesky check engine light. But that's not all, it's like having a mechanic's superpower. Delve into complex systems like ABS, airbag, SRS, TPMS codes, and more. It's your go-to diagnostic tool, revealing the mysteries hidden under your car's hood. No more annoying wires, it connects via Bluetooth to your phone or tablet. Plus, your secret weapon comes with an iOS and Android app, connecting you to a treasure trove of step-by-step repair videos. And here's the kicker, it stays connected while you drive, allowing you to monitor your car's health in real time. This tool is a game-changer for every driver. Get juiced up with your trusty sidekick in the world of electric vehicles. This Level 2, 240-volt EV charger supercharges your ride up to 9 times faster. And here's where smarts kick in. Mobile app becomes your digital co-pilot. It tracks, manages, schedules, and optimizes your charging, saving you those precious off-peak electricity bucks. Take control with adjustable power output up to 50 amps, all without costly electrical upgrades. Rain or shine, it's your reliable sidekick, featuring durable 25-foot cable and rock-solid materials. This charger's weatherproof with a NEMA 4X protection rating, ready for indoor or outdoor action. Stay connected with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ethernet, complete with automatic OTA firmware updates. Worried about unauthorized use? The optional RFID card functionality has your back. Efficient and budget-friendly, Autel Maxi Charger Home has your EV charging needs covered with style, brains, and unbeatable quality. Don't settle for less. Supercharge your ride today. Say goodbye to car grime and dirt with your new car cleaning savior. This high-pressure cleaning gun is your go-to tool for that showroom shine. Crafted from high-strength materials, it's acid corrosion resistant and built to last. Plus, it's surprisingly quiet. With an array of included accessories and a handy towel, it's worry-free cleaning. Whether it's seat belt tensioners, upholstery, cup holders, floor mats, dashboard, or even tires, this versatile tool has you covered. The 4-step operation makes it a breeze. Add water or cleaning fluid, connect the pump, glide the switch, and pull the trigger. At the end, be sure to wipe the cleaned surfaces with the cloth from the kit. Fast, efficient, and an essential for car enthusiasts. Get ready to say hello to the sparkle. Do you need a for measuring the temperature of surfaces and the environment? Look no further. The KIZEN infrared thermometer gun is here to help. Accuracy is its middle name, with a wide emissivity range and the ability to measure temperatures between -58°F and 1112°F, -50°C and 600°C, with precision. Versatile? You bet. From checking oven heat to tackling HVAC projects, it's your trusty sidekick both at home and in industrial settings. Easy to use? Absolutely. Just point, click, and get real-time temperature readings. Plus, the backlit LCD screen ensures you can read temperatures in any lighting. One feature that I find especially useful is the option to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, as well as the capability to switch between surface temperature and ambient temperature measurements. This versatility allows for a wide range of uses, from gauging the temperature of cooking surfaces to overseeing the climate of a room or outdoor area. Furthermore, this device is lightweight and easily transportable, making it a convenient companion for your travels. Its robust build guarantees it can endure the demands of daily use. But remember, folks, it's not for humans' temperature use. This tool is designed for everything else. So, whether it's fixing stuff around the house, cooking up a storm, or automotive adventures, this infrared thermometer gun has your back. Don't hesitate to acquire this affordable infrared thermometer. It's a smart choice. Regular tire shop refused to repair it and instead told to buy new tires? But they can be made to live longer. Don't toss them just yet. Repair your tires with a handy puncture saver kit. What's inside? Everything you need. T-handle insert and spiral probe tools, a 4-way valve stem tool, repair plugs, and more. You're geared up like a pro mechanic. This kit is not finicky. It's perfect for cars, trucks, tractors and lawnmowers alike. And here's a bonus. It's user-friendly enough for your wife and kids to handle. Throw in a compact compressor, and voila! You're all set for quick fixes that'll save you the trouble of fumbling with tires or waiting around for AAA. With speedy operation taking under 10 minutes, it's an insurance policy you'll be glad you have. Fingers crossed you won't need it, but when you do, this kit's got your back. Sometimes, your tires just need a second chance. Tired of the automotive acrobatics, wriggling under dashboards or climbing under cars? Say hello to the ultimate automotive multi-tool. This jack-of-all-trades companion will make your life much easier. It allows you to work comfortably under the dash without the need for awkward bending or twisting over the door sill. It's an under-car creeper, an adjustable under-dash creeper, and a standalone knee pad. No more strained backs or bruised knees. This creeper's got you covered. Height adjustable and spring-loaded, this creeper lets you glide under the dashboard with ease. Built with a robust steel frame, it can comfortably support up to 400 pounds, thanks to its thick padded foam cushions. The 6 3-inch caster wheels ensure smooth maneuverability across hard surfaces, placing you precisely where you need to be. The casters lock when needed for stability, giving you hours of comfort while working. And when the job takes you to hard surfaces, just detach the headrest, it becomes your portable knee pad. No more sore knees or uncomfortable crouching. Plus, those rubber feet keep you from sliding around. But that's not all. When the job is done, the Powerbuilt under-dash creeper's pivot design allows it easy to fold up, so storing it in the garage is a breeze. No more breaking your back or assuming uncomfortable positions. Work with ease and comfort. This is your ticket to a pain-free and efficient automotive DIY experience. Make the decision to purchase, right now, and roll into a world of comfort and convenience. Your back and knees will thank you. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. We'll have more new and interesting stuff coming soon.